Hello Video Hive people, I hope you like that promotional part of the video. It looks nice and flashy, but in this section I want to give you an overview about Photomotion and especially about our new update. Our biggest update ever. It's been rebuilt from the ground up, simplified, it's really user-friendly. We have 5 new projections with more than 100 new features. So, if you never heard about Photomotion before, it's a toolkit for Adobe After Effects that can take your pictures and photos and create animations from them. You can then use them anywhere from your social media, websites, photo albums, marketing channels. Some of our biggest clients are actually using Photomotion for creating animated billboards. So really, it can be used anywhere where you would otherwise use a static picture. Photomotion is a market leader in photo animation for After Effects, and with this update there are so many new features, but let me just quickly show you a few of them.
First new projection in this update is portrait. You can animate any face with it. It's the most advanced portrait projection on the market, yet it is so simple that anyone can use it. We have intelligent X-ray for super simple setup. It does everything in the background. You just select the position of your eyes and nose, and Photomotion will do the rest for you. It supports custom rotations as well, so unlike other portrait animation toolkits, we can accurately map your facial features onto your animation in real 3D space, no matter where the face is actually looking. On top of that, we do all of this in real time and with pixel perfect accuracy. Then we have new particle system. You can choose different particle types such as dust, snow, rain, or more funky ones like bubbles or leaves. You can also choose density of your particles, plenty of other things that give you complete control over your particles when you need it. I should mention these particles work in every projection, and on top of that, we are always adding new particle types. Another beautiful thing in portrait projection is a feature called Relight. If you are familiar with Apple and their iOS, where you can change the look of your lighting, it's exactly the same, well, at least very similar. With a single slider, you can create completely new lighting in your scene, even without touching any lights whatsoever. And it automatically works with your face animation as well, so you don't need to do anything else to get this beautiful relight effect applied to your animation. Well, other cool things we have here, you can change the color of your eyes with just one click. And this one is pretty cool, I use it all the time. It's called Follow Camera. For example, if you're moving your face from left to right, Photomotion will make sure that your eyes are always looking directly to the camera. Okay, so then we have makeup. It puts some makeup around the eyes of your portrait animation. Again, it's fully animated, blah blah blah, you already know that. Then we have eye scale, pretty cool effect. And by the way, all of these effects can be combined together to create something really special, like big eye zombies, for example. And for those of you who are looking for more advanced features of face animation, we have you covered with abstraction objects, custom depth maps, custom masks, custom background, and many more. Then we have Glacier for animating cinemagraphs. These are those animations where you import a video and freeze a part of that video while the rest is still playing. All of your cinemagraphs are automatically seamlessly looped. So what that means is that your video could be, infinitely long, and Photomotion will calculate all of your loops automatically and just make sure you can't even see them where they are. Also, what you can do is create boomerangs. If you are familiar with Instagram's app called Boomerang, it does the same thing, but it's fully integrated into Photomotion, so you can turn it on with one click, change the speed if you want to create some funky effects, and render out animation that is as long as you want. Next projection is called Mirage. Mirage is perfect for animating sky, smoke, water, and those kind of things. So if you are familiar with photographs, this is similar, but it gives you full power of Photomotion on top of that. It integrates beautifully with our loop system, so you can create infinite looping videos. You can add multiple objects into your scene and create really complex looking animations. Or you can even turn on auto camera movement, which will automatically animate the camera for you without any keyframes, and it will also create these automatic loops for you without any effort whatsoever. So the next one is called Parallax. Parallax is perfect for those simple animations where you just want to create that camera movement illusion. You can add multiple objects to your scene, position them, interact with them, add particle systems, and plenty of other cool features like, automatic depth of field, camera movement without any keyframes, boomerang animations, and a lot more. This is definitely one of the easiest projections in Photomotion, but don't be fooled by that. It is easy, but because it gives you all the power of Photomotion, it can be used on many different types of pictures. And then we have Horizon, definitely for those of you who want to have photo animation superpowers. It is the most feature-rich projection probably ever created. It is packed with features, takes slightly longer to set up, but the results are stunning. It is a full 3D projection, but here is the catch. You don't need to learn any 3D software because everything is done directly inside of Photomotion. All of those features are mentioned in previous projections, all of them work here as well, plus about 20 to 30 additional things you can do with this one. So this is definitely something for someone who works with photo animations all the time and someone who really wants to create pixel-perfect animations.
Well, I truly believe anyone can create photo animations, but the way you get there is slightly different for people who never used After Effects, people who have some previous experience with After Effects, and people who use After Effects professionally in their work. When you get the new Photomotion, you also get access to our video courses, not just video tutorials, but full video courses that are tailored to your skill. So even if you never opened After Effects before, we'll take you through the whole process, show you everything you need to know, and together we're gonna create your first animation. And what's even better is when you learn how to use one part of Photomotion, let's say portrait projection, you will automatically know how to use the rest as well. We work with some leading user experience designers to streamline the whole process and user interface to make it predictable, that you always find everything where you expect it to be. It's really something you probably don't appreciate until you start using a tool of this scale. You know, here's the thing. We always wanted to create a tool that combines everything you might ever need to create beautiful photo animations. And I believe Photomotion is what it is today because of your input. Apart from this update, we are also launching our public roadmap where you can see what we are working on now, what's coming next, and you can tell us directly what you would want to see in the next update. So think about this as our commitment to you. If you buy Photomotion now, you'll also get future updates, and this way you can really shape the future of the product itself. And that's not all. We also wanted to give you a way to reach us and other Photomotion users, so you get full access to our live chat, our tech support. You'll also get your own Integrity account where you can chat with other Photomotion users, manage your Photomotion licenses so they never get lost, even when you're changing computers, and you also get some perks that will help you with your animations. I hope you are as excited as I am about all the possibilities how you can use Photomotion. So when you get it, let us know how it helps you, what you like the most, and if you have any questions, we are always here. Let us know anywhere, here on Video Hive, on our live chat, on email, on YouTube channel. We also have YouTube channel, on our Instagram or Twitter. We check all of them and reply to all of you as soon as possible. I hope to see you soon on your Photomotion journey.